In this video, I'm going to show you how to create focus mode on laptop in Windows 11. So what you want to do is once you're anywhere on your computer and doing anything you want and you want to start focus mode, you want to go down here to your taskbar, click on search and type in focus. As you can see, the first thing that pops up is focus settings inside system settings. You want to click on it and your focus settings inside system will open up. In here, it says focus, and you can click over here to start your focus session. Now, as you can see, it says session duration, and you can change it, of course, and you can have it as long as you want. Just simply click the plus or minus icon, which will make this focus session longer or shorter. And you can also choose if you want to show the timer in the clock app, so that's down below over here. And if you want to hide badges on taskbar apps, if you want to hide flashing on taskbar apps, and if you want to turn on do not disturb. So you can just check these or uncheck these however you like, and then once you're done and have customized this like you wanted, set the timer, you can press start focus session and your focus mode will start.